and somebody. I don't know whether it's a Christian, because if you're a Christian, leadership comes from God, but it passes through the people. He knows very well that his term of office ends on 6th October 2025, after 5 years. But the whole of his intention, all these calculations, is that one, he wants to amass the property in his own institution, which he has done. I won't tell you, when I was his prime minister, we came up with a proposal, which I believe is being funded by the friends from US, worth $10 million. And one of the hurries of changing is that whether the money comes through his organization, so his intention is, one, the intention which he had, the original one, he wants to be life, so that when he passes away, his children takes over, like Uganda. But ours is not.
Okay.
Two, he's trying to play around so that he had another 3 years. That's why he's claiming that he's Umukuka when he was gazetted. But I won't tell you that Umukuka WW Wamibi #1 was gazetted by government after 4 years, and he was paid his arrears. Mzee late Mshikori was gazetted after 3 years in office, and he was also paid his arrears. And after 5 years, they all willingly allowed the search committee to get the next Umukuka, and that's how we brought Udoma in office.
Okay.
But he's just beating about because the money the government is giving Umukuka, which is pocketing, and when he gives him 10,000, and he thinks he can search some of us. Well, let me tell you, I am very lucky. After the 1995 Constitution, I was elected by Everum Masaba, and I'm the only leader who was chairman of LC5 for the whole of Bugisu. Thereafter, when Mujas comes, we had already started creating Bugisu. And I've been in the council of Masabaland since 1989 to date. So you can't beat me in the leadership of Bugisu. You can't say you understand the Bugisu better than me. So I pitied this young Masika. And for me, I can't waste time arguing with him, because he's just shouting, and he thinks people who are reading news by insulting people like Walimba, people like the 5Ws. He's wasting time. Tell him, please, Masika, concentrate on your own things. You are in the wrong direction. This fight is going to dump you tomorrow after 3 months, because Bamasaba are going to have Umukuka #4.
To find out why the current Umukuka he actually left the Inzuya Masaba, in which he was elected, and put up his own institution called the Bugisu. And the Bugisu, he works alone. He has no structures. There is no culture council. There is no general assembly. There is no secretariat. So he does things as Umukuga, as the Kabaka of Uganda. But the Kabaka of Uganda has got a council of elders. This one doesn't have. So why we came here today was to meet and discuss why he tried to change the name of the institution. Earlier on, as we read his election, he had agreed. Of course, he was telling us he is Umukuga of Inzuya Masaba. But with time, we were demanding for the General Assembly or elected delegates from the clans of Inzuya Masaba. He was only promising, we shall do it, we shall do it. But we found it was wasting time. Some years passed. That's why the elders came up and said, no, we're going to make the General Assembly. Our General Assembly was formed this year early, for the purposes of checking what the Umukuka is doing. So that General Assembly formed the structures like the Culture Council, the Secretariat, and the Governing Board. It's until recently when we discovered that the man had truly changed the institution to Bugisu institution by himself, without consultation with the elders and even without a General Assembly, and doing it himself alone. So in our first General Assembly, he's now been trying to stop us from conducting elections because he knows he can be challenged. So that's what he didn't want. He goes to police, he does what? But with us, we inform police that what we are doing is culture issues. We are not against government or anybody, not even Mudoma, but the system. Because Inzu Yamasava belongs to the Vamasava. It is the past elders who put up people of substance, elders of substance. For example, the previous Supreme Court judge, the judge of Uganda, or other justice. There was Kodovia Wakiro, there was Professor Dan Nabdele, there was William Wanendea, Cornelius Wekunya, Engineer Sakwa, Mangoma Charles. All those elders combined the ideas to come up with Inzu Yamasava, which this one is trying to avoid or to kill without even consulting other delegates. So our meeting today was to purposely form a cultural council, a search committee to go to Indayewa Nale, which is the next to bring in the Umukuka, such that by October 6th, a new Mukuka must be in place.
Kama sinalo ndi muliro wanga Karim and delegate omusano wasano kirani byesi bukali oluna kulo shalero mu meeting yetu ya Masaba walumere kuli fefe kwa ku maintaining alisi nalyefu lye bu Masaba lyetu ya Masaba ubona kuri kurulako kushindu cyane nikisiwa ni basakuru basini yamo bu Masaba landi so walumere kuri omundu yezana obomukuka wambasara ashuse bukuka bwire mubukiso oba bukiso bwa Masaba amini bukuka bwa bakiso fashion ducho kushifujiri sata ira kuloma kulinga niya kana uba mutu ya Masaba kane tsahole institution yewe yesi kana aramenga alimo yenyene efenga ba Masaba majority onarama kuli mutu ya Masaba so kwalume kuli kwa amani tamu yewewereko kwa fujiri sane kuli kuri search committee oba kware search committee kubona kuli inanika kuweteresa umukuga wakane ukwama munde yawanale yani cyo cyesi uri hutyaho ni team kwamaliye ku suggestinga babandu banatya gukora search committee
na mire bulambuli district na mire bulago nga sub county na mira kwezano nezirenga delegate umulonde mulago kirani kubano kwecherero kuli concern ye ba Masaba kubonoti ba Masaba basana kubachongani basana kukola bulayi era inzu muguga ke inzu ya Masaba ke yo mutenganira inzu ya Masaba ye ba Masaba boss eba sana kuba ni lidembe kubona ngabaza basi cyakukalirewo ne kubona kuti constitution ya Uganda constitution yenzu ya Masaba kusana kujirinda umuguga asana kukolera myaka 5 atuleko andigundireko
so na sivyo balebe mwandalala mundu akababeya alifuri bakista isi na mukisi yeta ngali tiuka busa liboyerera dokuba byama mbo Masai era ba Masai balange habalingiso bachuka umusakulu mwambu balikane oluno wo musani kuya kwa amasharere oli mugiso era ngo lenene mukisu makulundi muhanzi ya isata ari bakana gabalo ku pabandu nibagwira bali favori bakisima kunya isata nibakuchuka vuze bali mugiso district administration now bebulebe manyene mwamanya bihale kale kutumana nasi nende kuba lomba muhafukirisa omuntu kutunyatonya mu ukhalakhala namo ba Masabati and we shall not allow that abi ye luya lwambo yaholeren yawe andamiza kurukukobola wonale nokuba nanyo wonale nga maholire alimbo kana mu walimba nyo hoka na kuona kisi ne walimba salumu na aleta esa alimu ngohoti kana silo mundu ahamona amupaka malokota Kuluku upana huku basawo institution yezena. And I'm telling you, we shall fight to the end. President Mubole. Sena Mufia President. Hey, kana kubabole kamasi. Nebeso kwandi hazikira nyuma. Yasire byake na Lucas. Erango bonalira mali. Na byabulira. Kama kambira karambisibwa ne kukana ne ingene babana. That's why mayor amasoli so minister ko ni minister. Yes, minister ni winyala but winyala baburambisa urona ne kama kambira. Ko lisanga muri ku matsima. Muhariyata kama sima kemiha ukwangwanye yeri namba sibanga national constitution ko emiha kuma kambira kakama mu constitution sisembai kufikiriza kwe babandu bandikanesi bali bakulubana ngati senene mugirasi and it's true fenga holiday campaign senga nakahuyi bibi byamwe wina ngoli wa president akene kakwisi bibi byonge kulumana bisi bawombe hakulita. What's wrong with us? Papa seka efukuli ba Kristo kulini baluwazi yande kubani Paul andikira ba Galatia bundu bali Galatia kumulango hataru komo ne ba Galatia na nuwa baloka nefuna bamasaba na nuwa baloka kila kwira hulu mana bisakulu babu amba nebu bwetsamuta nasiro wera kusasire bisa nenga kwa kanisa bindi bye hulu mana ebe hakani umkosi mudoma iswambisa bulayi alayira mwezi amasaba bamwati bulupozi sikensa kimirimo ayuhera mukaru mubusaba yali ali mukisu ngokumusabuli sines so kwangwa na constitution isibalanga bali entrenchment isi ngwareremo clause susabulata kurusahonga babandu bose bafikirize so kuza kuyusa mu constitution ebamasaba from an entrenched clauses so that mundu ahesenya isasina bumasaba lundi tawe
so nenasho omundu kana huche jalisi na liefwe ye bumasaba ahumwe yabule mwenda yashe kumusiro kiewo mwenda efenga basa hulu kuliana bekimsone kimillion ora huli kana kutute kumwendo hoja kumupe kumuru akole kimilimo kewe kebonambo ahoko basakwe sikire bumba za kuno kwabulera ukwambasa wale moholi bale bamena bambo kabache Kenya sasa ali kamwiga sendu mulayiga but nakie Kenya because of reason nakie Kenya yene kimyaka 12 years ngaja kusoma na mo abana ko lemba 1966 ebumba bakali ebumba na kemu ndo siye ko ebumba. So it means balimba ko se ko lewa shota sengeli andidingo so omuntu kuvola ali efwe bakukabukasemo bakalelwa halwa kameyi abantu ngabakira yuka Kenya bakali bakiri mu Kenya kulondekana kumulembe kwa amini bamanya mwaka limwabani bakali kwasomera ingeleha bale bambe bukinyanye bakali na basomera mu jimwefwe Kenya omusahulu nani na professor na Butere amako amamuji kwefu ni waje Tanzania eno hii mwamanyire alabula ibwe so kukhola abundu wabona khulya kwakonde lwala ta omulebo yuyu nga wala kya khulya bino bali baloma bali bakali banyala bakhola kino kholela atiti bali bakali ifefe mulyana no mukhakwa kimyoyo mukhakwenju khata mwambira abwena nawena be Kenya bali very much interested papo walibwa musakhulu mulala ingene byakhomanyira khulu mukhulu mwende musakhulu Dominic wetangula ali ni nafatwera. Next meeting is coming here na niye nga wekire the means now bandu be Kenya bose bali sawa